Hi guys, this is Suresh. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will discuss an important interview question for data engineers, which is find employees with same salary in same department from employees table. This question was asked in company EPAM systems, so it's an important question. So let's get started. If interviewer wants to check your knowledge on self-join, they will ask these type of questions. So let's say if we have an employee table with columns employee ID, name, salary, and department ID. And if you look into the employee ID 101, his salary is 3000 and he's working in department ID 11. And employee ID 104 is also having same salary 3000 and he is also working in same department. So we should display 101 and 104 employees here. And if we consider 102 employee ID, his salary is 4000 and department ID 12. And if you see 105 employee ID, his salary is also 4000 and he's also working in same department. So we should display 102 and 104 employees. So this is how we should find out. So to do this, we have different approaches, but in this video, we will discuss self-join approach. Okay, so let's start the writing the query. Okay, so first I will drop the table if it is already present in the database. Okay, that is done, and I will create the table with the required columns employee ID, name, salary, and department ID. Okay, and we will insert some sample data. Okay, so let's see if data is available or not. EMP salary. Okay, so data is there. So now let's start writing the output query. Select from .emp salary. So I'll rename, so I will give alias as emp1 and we will join the same table again. So I'll copy and paste here and I'll give the alias as 2. So we have to give the conditions here and I will pick records from employee 1 table. Okay, so now we have to write on the our conditions here. So our condition should be salary should equal and department ID also should equal. So for that emp1 dot salary equal to emp2 dot salary and emp1 dot department ID equal to emp2 dot department ID. And here this is another condition we should also include, that is emp1 dot employee ID should not match with emp2 dot employee ID, and I'll just order by emp1 dot salary. Okay, so let's execute this. Okay, if you see the required output displayed here. So why I added this condition and how this self join works, we need to understand, right? So I will explain how this worked in Excel. I'll just copy these conditions and just paste here. So here I just took the same employee table and I copied the same employee table 2 times here. So I gave the alias emp1 and emp2. Okay, so as per this conditions, employee ID will match with employee one ID 104, because if you see the employee ID not equal to employee ID, okay, and salary is equal to salary, and department ID is equal to department ID. So this record will display here. And again 104, this record will join with 101 from the employee 2 table, because the employee ID not equal to employee ID, and salary is equal to salary, and the department ID is equal to department ID. So this record will display here. And next 102 will join with 105, because employee ID is not equal to employee ID, and salary is equal to salary, and department ID is equal to department ID. So this record will be displayed here. The same way 105 is also will be displayed here. So that is how the self join works. That's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new from this video, and please like and share this video with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.